guys, today we learn what is structure in C. To implement this you have required Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler and C extension installed in the Visual Studio Code. Now let us understand what is a structure in C. A structure is a collection of variables which may be different data types, and each variable in the structure is known as a member of the structure. Now let us see the syntax of structure. To defining the structure, we first give the name struct, then single name like here define students and their property like name, age, class and gender. So you can see character name is a character array data type and age is integer data type and class is integer and gender is also character array data type. So here you can see different data types combined and make them single. So we denote each as a single name students which have their students property, and defining the structure only we write here struct struct. So it combine multiple data type into single name. Now let us see with an example. Here you can see first we need to include header stdio.h and string function has include string.h. Then after that we have defined here student structure definitions, character name 25, integer age, integer class and character gender, and 10 we have defined, then close curly braces and semicolon. After that we have defined integer main functions, and then here you can see struct student. You can see here single name and s1. Here we are making s1 is a variable of student type. S1 is object of student which is a structure. So here you can see S1 is a variable of student type, structure variable, and age, class, name, gender is a member of the students. Now after that we need to assign the value of this structure. So here strcpy s1 dot name assign a value Raj. Here we are using string function to add name like s1 dot name assign Raj. Let us see what is strcpy function. The C library function character strcpy, character destination and character source. So copy the string pointed to by source to destinations, where this value, whatever value this is copied to this destinations value in destination. So here we write for the string strcpy s1 dot name Raj using string function to add name, and after that you can see s1 dot h equal to 20 and s1 dot class equal to 12, and again there you can see strcpy need to like set the value gender, so I have assigned male and s1 dot gender male using string function to add the name in s1 dot gender. Now I want to print these values, so we write printf name of student s1 dot name, age of the student s1 dot age, class of student s1 dot class and gender of student s1 dot gender, and return 0. So this is the structure example with and assign the value. Now let us see with this in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio, go to C program folders, then click on new file, put like structures dot c programs. Now you can see your programs will be created. Now need to include like what? Include stdio.h, string.h. Now I need to define a structure function. So simply we put struct structure. Now you can see after structure you write structure name of the structure students. Now you can define like character name 25, integer age, integer class, and character gender tens. So defining the character array whatever you have required for the name. So here you can declare the structure name of the structure is student and their property like name, age, class, gender. This person is called member of this structures. Now need to define main function like integer main, then open curly braces. After that need to define the object means structure object. So then you write student and then define a variable s1. Clear this one. Then I need to assign the value of this like name, age, class, gender. How can we assign this? Simply put s1 dot like you can say name. Then basically that is string. So here we can use the string function like strcpy. Then assign the value like constant characters means like Raj. Close this one. After that you can see name s1 dot age. What should be age like 16. Then class s1 dot class you can define like 12. And again character, so we need to use string function strcpy s1 dot gender and we can assign like males. And after that we need to print, so we can write like for printing the name, age, class, gender. Printf name of student s1 dot name, age of student s1 dot age, class of student s1 dot class, and gender of student s1 dot gender. Already you can see we have assigned this value through the variable s1 of structure student types. So now run these programs and see whether this each program will run successfully or not. So here you can see getting some errors like two times we have provided comma, so remove these ones and again save and run it again. So finally we get the result like name of student is Raj, age of student 16 and class of student is 12, gender of student is male. So here you can see how can define the structures and how can inside the structures and how can assign the value of this structure their members. Now in C programming, structure is a collection of different data items which are referenced by single name. It is also known as user defined data type in C. Now where this structure can be used, like it helps to construct a complex data, heterogeneous collection of data items. You can see different data types this structure have and reduce complexity. Here you can assign only one student, so you can define it the array of structure. So you can define and assign the value for number of students like 5, 6 and number of students and increase productivity and mentality of code. Enhance code readability is crucial for larger projects. Using structured code looks user-friendly, which turns help to maintain the projects. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.